Brooke just got her hair cut, and we went to see take a picture of her pretty hair. Here, you look at Grandma. Look over here at Grandma. So we can see your pretty hair. Look that way. Look that way. Hi. 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 You're turning the wrong way. There's her pretty hair. We can look at Tyler's pretty hair too. You got a haircut. And he has a blonde streak right back here. Here. Where are you going? Hey Tyler, look at Mommy. Cheese. Thank you. Cheese. Cheese.